Hello friends, I'm back for another Slay Sunday spooky edition. So for this week I got some requests to do Pennywise since It Chapter 2 came out this year. So I decided to make Pennywise Glam today. I made her a girl and I made her glam because Pennywise really is not that cute, and he got that big ass forehead, so I wasn't about to do all that. So I decided to put my spin on a glam version. So anyway, I'm getting started with that Wet n Wild face paint in the white shade, and I'm putting that all over my face. Alright, and just like last week, I'm taking my James Charles palette again, and I'm taking that white shade in the palette, and I'm going to set the white face paint. Okay, from here, I was trying to figure out what I wanted to do for my eyes. So I decided to go in with the Makeup Revolution rainbow palette, and I'm going in with that red shade first, and I'm going to put that as my transition shade. Okay, and now I'm also going in with that red shade, and I'm just putting that on my lower lash line. And next, I am going in with my Saharan palette by Juvia's Place for that black shade because it is very pigmented. Like, it is black, pitch black, and I love it. So I'm going in with that black, and I'm going to put that all over my lid. And to make the black not look so harsh, I'm going back in with that red shade and just really kind of blending that out a little more. Okay, and from here, I was really trying to figure out what I wanted to do to kind of zhuzh it up a little bit, make it even more glam. So I decided to go back in with my Saharan palette and take that shimmer shade and make kind of like a spotlight eye and that for me just took it to the next level, and I was like, there she is, I'm having it. So yeah, I'm literally just taking my finger and putting that in the center of the black, and just to give it a nice effect. And from here, I'm going in with that white shimmery shade. Honestly, my phone really did not do that justice just now, because it's a very bright, like, shimmer shade. So I decided to put that in my inner corners, just to make my eyes pop even more. And I'm just taking my Maybelline mascara and I'm putting on mascara. Now that my mascara is added, I'm going back in with that black shade from the palette, and I'm putting that on my waterline, because I wanted something else just to kind of blend in with that red a little bit. And as you can see, I was having it. So now from here, I'm going in with that Anastasia Beverly Hills lip palette again, like last week. And I'm going in with the black shade, and I am doing my eyebrows. So now I'm taking that red shade from the lip palette, and I am going to do my clown nose. And I'm just making a little circle. This didn't really come out as clean as I would have liked for it to, but you know, I rolled with it and it was fine. I decided to take that red eyeshadow that I used from the Makeup Revolution palette to set the nose. Okay, and I just decided to add some Ardell lashes to just really make it even more glam, okay? So now I'm really satisfied with how the eyes turned out. Now I'm moving on to the rest of my face. So I'm taking that red shade that I've been using throughout this tutorial, and I am going to create those lines that Pennywise has on his face. I feel like this really doesn't have to be like so perfect. I'm just freehanding it, just kind of making a little curve. It helps a little bit probably when you smile to kind of really get that curve as well. But again, I'm not worrying about this being super precise. Okay, and now I'm just adding those top triangles above my eyebrows. Yeah. So I wanted to give the lines and everything just a little more dimension. So I'm taking an angled brush from e.l.f. and I'm going back in with that black shade from the Juvia's Place palette. And I'm placing the black through the red. I just feel like it added a certain dimension to it, and I was happy with how that turned out. And for the top triangles, I decided to just make even smaller black triangles within the red ones. And that gave the effect that I wanted. So now I'm just going in with the other side. Okay, and a bitch was really feeling herself right here. Like, I was proud. I was like, wow, I'm a beauty guru. Not really, but anyway. So now to finish it off, I am just going in with that red Anastasia shade from the lip palette, and I am doing my lips. All right, you guys, and that is the finished look. I was super proud of myself for how this turned out. Like, I really didn't know how it was gonna come, going into it, but I'm really impressed with myself. So anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this week's spooky Slay Sunday, and I'll be back next week with some more, and please remember that you'll float too. Bye.